Hello everyone. In today's project, we are going to build a clean and modern contact form using only HTML and CSS. This is one of the most common sections you will find on almost every website. So let's start building it. First, let's create a container. This will keep all our form elements together and make the layout easier to design. Add heading so visitors know they can contact us through this form. Next, I am adding form tag. Every field where user enter information will be placed inside it. Let's begin with the name field. Input name field so we know who's sending the message. Next is the email field. Input type. This helps us know where to send a reply. Now I will add subject field. It gives a quick idea of what the message is about. Text area. This is the most important part of the form. Here user can write their complete message. Finally, let's add send message button. Once user fill in all the details, they will click this button. Go to CSS file and start styling. Let's begin by removing the browser default spacing so we have a clean layout to work with. Universal selector, margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box. Now I'm centering the form using flexbox. Body, understand this. Centering the form using flexbox. It keeps the design balanced. Now let's style container. Here, style the container with some padding, rounded corners, and a shadow to make it look like a modern card. I will center the heading. Text align, center. Margin bottom, 20 pixel. Heading so it stand out and gives the form a clean look. Now I am styling the input fields. I am giving the message box a fixed height and disabling resizing to keep the layout consistent. Let's style button with a nice purple color and the button with a nice purple color so it becomes the main focus of the form. Finally, I will add a hover effect button, hover, background, green. It's a small detail, but it makes the button feel more interactive. Save. I will enter a name joe@gmail.com. I'm adding subject hi and message hi. Finally, I click the send message button. Everything is our contact form is complete, and that's it. We have successfully created clean contact form using only HTML and CSS. In the next project, we will make it interactive with JavaScript. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, save, and follow for more web development projects. See you in the next one.